Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do another latest speaking part 1 topic New Year, which is really important for your exam. Let's see our question number 1. How do you celebrate New Year? I celebrate every New Year in a proper way. Firstly, I get up and wish everyone well, then I go to the temple. In the evening, we organize a party and spend time with my near and dear ones. So our next question is, do you still remember a New Year that you celebrated? Yes, I vividly remember the celebration of last year, as last year we enjoyed a bonfire with all my family members after a long time. So there is one announcement for you that if you want to buy speaking PDF for speaking part 1, 2, and 3, then you may contact me on my Instagram and the link is given in description. Do you have any ceremonies to celebrate the New Year in your country? To be honest, there are no particular ceremonies. Everyone celebrates it in their own way. But there is a myth in my nation that the things we do on the first day of the year we follow the whole year. Let's move to the last question for this video. Why do people think New Year is a new beginning? According to my perspective, they think that with the beginning of the new year, they can start their lives again by forgetting their past mistakes and adopting new things. That is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.